Hey y'all, it's your girl CC coming back at you with another one. If you follow me on Instagram or Snapchat, you saw that I was in Nashville last week. So I kind of just wanted to show you what I packed for my trip, how I pack for trips, stuff like that. So if you want to see how I pack for a vacation or what I wore when I was in Nashville, please keep watching. Okay, so to get started, I brought two bags. This was my carry-on bag. It's a Delsey bag. It's kind of dirty, but I love it. It has lots of pockets, lots of storage. It expands. It's pretty cool. And then I just brought this 31 tote as my personal item to stuff under the seat. So we'll start with this bag. Okay, so obviously I packed my makeup bag. This is my travel makeup bag. I keep my makeup in like an acrylic storage thing, so I just go and I keep it in a basket in the bathroom. So I just go grab what I need for my trip, put it in this bag that I got from Marshall's. This is my toiletry bag I got from Amazon. I'm obsessed with it. It hangs. There's a pocket here, lots of little things in pockets, and one in the back as well. And you can hang it on your bathroom door. I also packed this tiny little makeup travel bag full with stuff for my hair. So this was like kind of my hair accessory product bag. And obviously I only use small products like travel size, or I put them in these travel bottles. Another thing I love about my Delsey bag is it has this snap off pouch that I use usually to store my underwear and stuff like that. So this is really cool. For jackets, I always pack a rain jacket just in case there's rain on the forecast. And I also packed a light cardigan just in case it's chilly out. You never know. Okay, on to the outfits. I usually like to bring a dress when I go somewhere. So, you know, just in case. And it was pretty hot down there. So I just brought this blue dress that I actually got from Sam's Club. I love the crisscross in the back. And it's just like a blue leaf print. And it was nice and breezy and great for my trip. So going to the airport, I decided to wear this like jumpsuit romper I got from Fashion Nova. It's like olive green color. It's super cute. It's cinched in the waist. It has pockets and it's just so comfy, and it was perfect for traveling in. So I was really glad that I brought this. So for my trip, I actually packed 4 pairs of shorts. I packed these white shorts that I like, that I got from Old Navy. They're called the Sweetheart shorts. I like the length of them. I also packed these D-jean shorts. They're a little bit like a darker colored short, and I like the cuff on them. I packed these light shorts. They're by the brand 7. I love the flower print. I think they're so cute. And I got those from Sam's Club as well. And then I packed these short shorts, these lacy on the side shorts that I actually think they're Vanilla Star. I think I got them from Walmart. They're super cute. Okay, on to tops. For tops, I brought this Cupio top that you can wear several ways. You can wear it off the shoulder. You could probably wear it as a tube top if you wanted to, but it does have arms for sleeves. Or just wear it regular up. And I just love the pattern of it, and it's cute and flowy. To go with those shorts, I brought these, the lacy shorts. I brought this lacy top that I got from probably TJ Maxx or something. And the brand is Adiva. I love this top. And I also brought this rose olive beige top with this cute stud print on it. It's cute and flowy. I brought this cute floral top. This is the back. I actually got from Walmart. And then my other rose and olive shirt. It's a cute blue flowery, like kind of high-low shirt. Also flowy, so I loved that. Obviously, I brought some pajamas. I usually just bring like a tank top and shorts for a vacation, especially someplace like Nashville where it's hot in the summer. I actually packed 2 bathing suits. This is my one piece that I love. It has like lace accents. It's low in the front. Has like holes in it. This is the back. I think I got this from, it was JCPenney's or Sears. I love this bathing suit. And then I brought a cute two-piece that I got from Marshall's. It's actually reversible, so it reverses to white. So these are the bottoms. And this is the top. It also has that crisscross in the front. It's really cute, double straps. And of course, I got a cover up. I think I got this from Macy's. I love the print on it. It's just cute, flowy, light, and it has this like crisscross and you can tie it. So that was that. Okay, moving on to shoes. Obviously, flip-flops. Need them for the pool. Cool to walk around the like condo or hotel in. Always need a good pair of flip-flops. I brought these black flat sandals. I think these are from Target. They're just cute, simple, black sandals. I brought these blue sandals. They have this navy blue and they have this cute gold accent on them. And I brought these adorable Neiman Marcus lace-up sandals. They have a little bit of a wedge to them. They tie up and they zip in the back. I think these are super cute. And while I was down there, I actually purchased 2 pairs of shoes. So the first pair would be these sandals. They're by Taos. I just think they're so cute. They're perfectly gray, white color. They have enough shine and print to them. They look really cute on. I was kind of skeptical looking at them, but they're really cute on. And they're so comfortable. Like, they support my arch perfectly. They have really good grip on the bottom. They're just really cute and comfy sandals. Of course, you know your girl couldn't go to Nashville without purchasing her first pair of cowgirl boots. I got these from a place called Betty Boots, I think, on Broadway. And I literally, as soon as I saw them, I knew I had to have them. They're literally so me. With the arrows and the tribal prints and the colors. It has my favorite color in it. And this one's kind of a burnt orange, but it goes with my coral. Like, they're vintage look. They're just perfect. These are the perfect boots. They fit my giant calves and I'm obsessed with them. And they're on sale. I had to get a pair of boots and I'm just so excited that I got these. Okay, obviously I brought a neck pillow for the plane. This one's like a memory foam one. I got it at an airport when I went to Costa Rica. So, I don't know, some kind of pillow for your trip is always nice to bring. For my jewelry, I bought this adorable jewelry box from Marshall's. Opens up, it has little compartments for rings and stuff, and then this comes up and has a bottom part. So I think this is and it has a cute little mirror. It's just so perfect to hold your jewelry for a trip. And of course I brought a big bag and I brought a shoulder bag. I brought this brown shoulder bag and a blue shoulder bag for walking around. And I brought this blue shoulder bag from Coach. So yeah, that is what I packed for my trip. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I put out new videos every week. Feel free to follow me on social media, on Twitter, Snapchat, and Instagram, all at TNBJ. And I will see you next time. Bye!